thought I'd give you a quick update how I'm getting on with the GoPro. The dogs are having their dinner. It's been pretty good. I was going to say on this update that I hadn't had any lockups, but I just had the first lockup on the GoPro, and it was the one that you usually get with GoPros, is where you press the button to stop it filming and it looks like it's carrying on filming, and it won't actually stop, and you can't switch the screen off. So I held the button for about 20 seconds and the camera switched off, comes back on, and it says repairing your file. So that was a sort of lockup that I always got ever since we've had the Hero 7. But what I would say is it's the first time in about 2 weeks that the Hero 10's actually done it. So I suppose that's good news. The other thing is the media mod. I've been using the media mod on the camera, and it's got front and back microphones. I'm currently using the front microphone, but I tend to leave it on the back microphone, and the trouble is if you forget to switch it back to the front microphone, the sounds, well, it's a bit muffled. And should I just drop something?
It's fallen out of the fridge.
Oh, right. And the sound's a bit muffled if you forget to do that. The trouble with switching between the front and the back mic is you have to stop it filming and then change the mic settings over and then start filming again. So you can hardly do sort of turn it round and carry on talking. I think you'll probably hear that the sound is quite different when you've got the front mic on and you've got it facing away from you. It's presumably the same when you've got the back mic on and you've got it facing towards you, if that makes any sense. So I thought I'd do an update on the GoPro Hero 10. But other than that, it's been really good. I'm really pleased with the colours. The stabilisation is amazing. And the horizon levelling is something I've wanted for a very long time. You know, if I tilt it, I'm looking at the screen that's tilted. I've tilted it quite a way now, and I think by the time I get to about 45 degrees, it starts turning. There you go, it starts turning. So I can go quite a way tilting the microphone. Do it the other way before it starts to think, oh, you really want to go that way, don't you? But yeah, I'm really pleased with it so far. And I think Poppy likes it as well, don't you? So that's my update for the GoPro Hero 10. Well, the other thing to add is the orientation lock. So if I go into settings, this here, it will orientate itself to whichever way you're holding the camera. If I don't lock it like that, I end up with video like this.